not showing. Why not? It's not showing because I haven't refreshed the browser window. The quickest way to refresh the browser window is to press F5. And then you get all the changes that I'm doing at the moment onto this web page, including the ugly border to show you where the table is and this bit of text. Okay? Are we ready for the next bit? To get text this large, by the way, with your CSS, I've tagged H1, which is heading 1. Yeah, and then I've given it a size of 5.0 EM. To make it look exceptionally well designed. Okay. Next problem is when I start to type in this bit of the section, the type's in the middle, which is rubbish. Because it needs to be at the top of the main section, does it not, like a normal page? I'll give you a tip here, which took me about a year to find out, because there was no one there to tell me this tip. Our friend here may have taken less long. Who knows? Right, so again, it's a little bit of code. There's no getting around this time. You have to. So I'm just going to click into this main area here, and in that sense it takes me somewhere to where the text is. Doesn't matter. I'm going to go into code, and the beauty of Dreamweaver is it will show you where your cursor is in the code. And there's my cursor flashing away. Yeah. So I know that without wanting to get horribly confusing, that TD, you don't have to worry about. All it is the cell that we're in. I talked to you about what the cells were. That's the one that we're in, where the main content would be. So in that, I need to type something. It's called the vertical align. Yes, vertical, horizontal. Okay, and we're creating a vertical align, and we want the vertical align to be at the top, not in the middle, which is where the default is. So all we do is we go V align, all one word. Yeah? Equals apostrophe TOP, close apostrophe. V align equals top. Yeah? This is important. Save that. I'm going to go back to my page, refresh. Bob's your uncle, it's gone up to the top. Yeah. That's how you control where things place in tables. Next thing I want to do is create some navigation. Now I've decided I'm going to have my navigation down here. Obviously you could have it across here. You could actually have it wherever you want, but I can only show you so much, yeah? Yeah.
Sorry, when you put this on the website, you don't see the grid lines.
No, I'll take that away in a minute. This is just so that you can at the moment see where the tables are. In the end, that will all get taken away, yeah? Because at the moment that's horrifically ugly, but it will go, don't worry. However, if you have something else in here in the end, patience. So I'm going to put some navigation in here, and in order to control how it, where it is, so it's not going to just jiggle all around. Go back to my page, go back to design. I click inside the left column. Now, you can't see this, but my cursor's just flashing away there. And I go insert table. And let's say I've got 4 links. About me, portfolio, clients, and contact me. Yeah? So I want, are you going? Are you going? I'm sorry it was so boring. each one's going to hold, in this case, some images, but you could put text in, doesn't matter. But I'm going to show you how to make rollover links. And again, I'm going to make sure it's 99%. I'm just going to go, okay, and there it is, in the middle of that column. Yeah, so next thing I'm going to do, I'm not going to make it go in the middle, the center a line like we did. I'm going to leave a line default. A line default is always left. And I want it to tuck up nice to this edge. So I'm going to leave that there for the time being. I'm not going to center it. But I do want it to go at the top of that particular cell. I want that to be there. Yeah? I don't want it to be there, because that's rubbish. It needs to be there. So, we go back to do another via line. If you want to just select in that column, just do a backwards arrow on your keyboard, and it will release the, you'll stop selecting and your cursor will end up there. You could have actually done this before you inserted the table, but I wanted you to see the table in the middle. Because you need to do another via line. So there's my cursor, flashing away. So in there I go via line equals top. You can copy and paste it from the last one you put in. Save. There it goes, up to the top. Yeah. If you're videoing this, then I need a copy of the video to put on the web button.
Sure.
That's brilliant. Okay, you can also drag it down to be a little bit bigger if you want. Depends how big your pictures are. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to click into one of those. Select. Shall I pause for a minute while people are doing what I'm doing, or are you with me?
I'm just gonna watch it.
What?
I'm just gonna watch it because
You just
I'm just gonna watch it because I'm stuck right at the beginning. So
Oh no, you're not at the beginning. You've not done some of it, but you've done other parts of it.
but it's not showing. So
No, okay, well we'll get to that in a minute. Shall I come and see why it's not showing?